Hello guys, today we prepare the red velvet cake. See you after the intro. For our sponge cake we need 220 grams of flour, 30 grams of starch corn, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 300 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 110 grams of butter, 240 ml of buttermilk. If you cannot find it, you can use the normal milk. 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of red colorant for the food color, the red one. And after, for the effect, fluffing effect, we will use 1 teaspoon of vinegar plus 16 grams of baking soda. Now we put the red food colorant in the milk. Be careful because it's very red. You can mess everything around you. And after we work the butter with the sugar. We add the eggs and we will add the red milk with the flours half and half. But I show you now in the video. Our dough is ready. I have already on the oven and I put at 180 Celsius degree. After we take a baking pot, we oil with the butter. On the bottom you can put a baking paper, always oil with the butter. In this way it will be easier to remove the cake from the pot. You can choose on the base of the kind of cake you want to make. If you want to make big cake, you can use a normal pot, but I want to make high cake because it's not for a party, so I will eat with my wife and maybe a few friends. And so I want to make a high cake. In this way, I will make a cake high like this and small. So now we mix the vinegar with the baking soda. When the reaction starts, we add very fast at the dough, and after we put the dough inside the pot. I put the pot in the oven. I will do this 2 times, but I show you only 1 time, don't worry. And after I will tell you how long you need to keep in the oven, more or less 20-30 minutes. After 30 minutes for the short one and 40 minutes for the high one, at 180 Celsius degree, our cake are baked, our sponge cake. Now we should wait it cool down. I will put in the fridge, in this way it will be faster. And after, with my knife, I will cut the top, the bottom, and also a little bit around, but I'll show you later. During this time we can prepare the filling. I will use 225 grams of cheese, spread cheese, 225 grams of mascarpone cheese, 80 grams of butter, 110 grams of icing, sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Now we work all the cheese and the butter together, and after we add the sugar, and after I show you how you can cut the cake. Our filling is ready. Now we put apart, we take the cake, we cut it, and we will put cake, cream cheese, cake, the filling, cake, and we complete with the filling also around. The piece that you will cut, keep it, because we will use that like a crumble to make a decoration on the cake. And also, if you have a lot of these pieces, because when you cut you make some mistakes, keep it, because maybe in another video I will show you another way to use the red velvet material to make another kind of cake more easier. And now let's go ahead. spectacular, especially with the mascarpone cheese. For sure, this cake has a big impact. So if you have a romantic dinner, try it and let me know. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it and to watch all the other videos. If you have some questions, suggestions, please let us know.